Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset Miss Excel default settings. To start, enter Regedit in the search box. Open the registry editor, click Yes to access. There, you will go to the path that you see on the screen in order to select the Office folder. You are going to display the folder with the used Office edition. Here you will right-click on Excel and click on Delete. You must confirm this operation. Now simply open Excel again so you can see that it has been factory reset. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.